Okay, as you can see, abandoned character videos are going viral these days.
Today, we'll look at how to make this type of video. We'll also learn how to make it more interesting by taking one extra step that most people are not doing.
First, I'll share a link that you can find in the pinned comment. After you visit the link, you'll see an abandoned prompt maker. Here, you can type any character name along with the show title to get both an image prompt and a video prompt. Once we have the prompt, we'll go to Nano Banana and generate our abandoned character image. We'll come back, copy the video prompt, and generate the video.
If you're still having issues creating images or videos for free due to limits, check out my previous videos. I've shown multiple free methods to generate images and videos.
It's very easy to make, right? But wait, my friend. Everyone is doing this, so let's make it more interesting. Here's how. We'll ask Nano Banana to create the same character photo from two different angles. Now you can see, we have the same character from three different angles. Next, we'll use Gemini Flow Labs. Select the frame to video option, upload the images and create your video. Now it looks much more interesting. Once all the videos are ready, we'll merge them together using any video editor like CapCut and finalize the video.
Subscribe for more videos like this.
Very soon I'll be bringing more content you're going to enjoy, including a client hunting series, how to send unlimited emails for free, and secret WordPress tools for auto blogging and Amazon affiliate work, all at no cost. So stay tuned, my friend. Goodbye and have a great day.